as I show you in the graphic here, there is a concept phase. Again, just to quickly go through there is a concept phase and there is a business case building phase. And then after you go through those phases, then if everything goes well, the product development will start. And within this process and to manage this process, like I said, it is not just you alone involved. There is a whole product team that is involved. And basically the way it works is this: you are a product manager and you're also the champion for this product, or an evangelist, or a promoter, or someone who believes very strongly that the company will be better off if you go in this particular product direction. So you are that. That is the role of your product manager. And then you are going to spend some time in identifying and assembling a product team. Basically, these are representatives from different groups within the company: finance, marketing, sales. Marketing could be you yourself as a representative, engineering, operations, software, hardware, or what have you, field testing, and so all these different groups who have a significant influence on the product direction. You're going to tap into some representatives and pull together a team that will help you make the investigation. And the most important team in this is there is something called a new product review board. Basically what this is a group of senior level executives who are going to come together into a board, sort of a forum, and they will primarily be from sales, marketing, engineering, and probably even the CEO of the company or the head of your business unit. The purpose of this board is to either approve or disapprove or send you back to do some more investigation, and basically act as the gate. As you go through one phase and another phase, this executive review board team for the new product, they're going to act as a gate. Unless you get their approval, you're not going to be able to go to the next phase of this phase gate process. And the way it works is, common sense. What they will do is, there will be a time set in schedule where you will, after you believe that you have all the answers to the questions at any phase, you will, at any given phase, you will go and make a presentation, and you will pretty much be grilled in terms of them asking all kinds of questions that you have not thought of or thought of, and in which case it'll be good. You have prepared yourself very well, and basically whet the idea in a thorough, qualitative, quantitative, based on reality, before they let you go into the next phase. That's the job of the NPRB, which is the New Product Review Board. So this is the high level view of what this new product introduction process and the concept is about. And we will, I'm going to actually step into the next lecture with a little bit more detail as to how, as a product manager, you can start this process and start taking up a few activities, and then getting into the details, and then also you need to understand what happens when, in the sense, in the preliminary phase, what are the expectations typically from this NPRB New Product Review Board. What questions are you expected to answer? Are you just going to go there with your opinion that this product will be good and so forth? Probably not, and most likely not, and you should not. You're going to so in the next lecture we're going to talk about a specific set of questions that you need to find answers to, and dig into the details. Actually, I do want to add one or two points before we dive into the next lecture. This new product introduction process, this is not the process that is going to help you come up with a new hit product like an iPhone It is not like that, meaning creative, innovative product ideas, I believe, don't come from these processes like this. This new product introduction is really a way to manage multiple resources or multiple people who are coming together with an objective of developing a product. And so I just want to make sure that even though it is called a new product introduction, I will myself have a hard time thinking that you're going to come up with a market hit product just out of this process. It'll be nice if it happens. There's nothing that prevents you from going through these motions and coming up with a good product. But I think the point here is this is an internal company management process, whereas a new innovative product ideas really come from imaginative process. Whereas this NPI or a NPRB board and everything else that we are talking about, is more of a how to manage yourself after you decided that you're going to start to look into the next product definition. Okay, so next we are going to dive into the details of it, and we'll see you in the next lecture.